You turn on your Fire TV stick, but instead of loading the home screen, you see, home is currently unavailable, and nothing works properly. Apps are stuck, the screen won't refresh, and it feels like the system is completely unresponsive. It can seem like a serious problem, but don't worry just yet. The good news is this issue is very common and often easy to fix at home without replacing anything. In this video, I'll guide you through simple step-by-step troubleshooting to fix the problem. Most of the time, it's caused by network issues, account syncing problems, updates, VPN interference, or a temporary glitch. First, we will do a soft restart using the remote because this clears temporary glitches. Take your remote and press the play or pause button and the select button in the center at the same time. Keep holding both buttons until the device powers off. Once it turns off, release the buttons and wait for it to reboot. After it turns back on, check if the home screen loads properly. If that didn't fix it, perform a proper power cycle to reset the system memory. Unplug the device from the wall outlet completely, not just the TV USB port. Leave it unplugged for about 5 to 10 minutes so the system fully resets. After that, plug it back into the wall outlet and turn it on. This helps clear temporary cache and refresh the system. Next, let's check your internet connection because this issue is often network related. Go to Settings, then open Network and make sure it shows connected. Also check the signal strength, which should be good or excellent. If it is not connected, reconnect your Wi-Fi. If the signal is weak, move your router closer or adjust the device position to improve stability. If the issue continues, restart your router or modem to refresh the connection. Turn it off completely and unplug it from power. Leave it off for 5 to 10 minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. Wait until the internet is fully restored, then test your device again. Now we will forget and reconnect your Wi-Fi network because this refreshes the network handshake. Go to Settings, then Network. Select your Wi-Fi network. Press the menu button on the remote and choose Forget. After that, reconnect to the same network by entering your password again. If you are using a VPN, turn it off completely and restart your device. VPN services can block Amazon servers and cause this issue. Once it turns back on, check if the home screen loads normally. Next, check for a system update. Go to Settings, then My Fire TV, then About, and select Check for Updates. If there is an update available, install it. After the update finishes, restart your device. A pending update can sometimes cause the home screen not to load properly. Now deregister and re-register your Amazon account because this refreshes the connection with Amazon servers. Go to Settings, then Account and Profile Settings. Select Amazon account and choose Deregister. Confirm the removal of the account. After that, sign in again by following the on-screen instructions or using the QR method shown on your screen. If nothing has worked so far, the last option is a factory reset, and this should only be used as a last resort. Press and hold the back button and the right navigation button together for about 20 seconds. Follow the reset confirmation screen that appears and let the device reset completely. After that, set it up again like a new device, connect to Wi-Fi, and sign into your Amazon account. If the issue is still not fixed after all these steps, it may be a rare server-side problem or a hardware issue. That's it for this video on how to fix the "Home is currently unavailable" error. You've now covered the most common causes and solutions step by step. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful tech fixes. If you have any questions or if one of these steps worked for you, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.